Malha is a neighborhood in southwest Jerusalem, between Pat, Ramat, Denya and Kiryat Hayovel in the Valley of Rephaim. Before 1948, Malha was a Palestinian Arab village known as al-Maliha. The official Hebrew name of the neighborhood is Manahat, named for the biblical town of Manahath, but residents of Jerusalem continue to call it Malha. History. Antiquity. Excavations in Malha revealed intermediate Bronze Age domestic structures. A dig in the Rephaim Valley carried out by the Israel Antiquities Authority in the region of the Malha shopping mall and biblical zoo uncovered a village dating back to the Middle Bronze Age 2b. Beneath this, remains of an earlier village were found from the early Bronze Age IV. According to the archaeologists who excavated there in 1987 to 1990, Malha is believed to be the site of Manahat, a Canaanite town on the northern border of the tribe of Judah. Remains of the village have been preserved at the Biblical Zoo. Ottoman era. In 1596, al-Maliha was part of the Ottoman Empire, Nahir of Jerusalem under the Liwa of Jerusalem, with a population of 286. It paid taxes on wheat, barley, and olive and fruit trees, goats and beehives. In the late 1870s the village was described as being of moderate size, standing high on a flat ridge. To the south was Ain Yalu. British Mandate era. In the 1922 census of Palestine conducted by the British Mandate authorities, Malha had a population 1,038, all Muslims, increasing in the 1931 census to 1,410, 1,402 Muslims and 8 Christians, in a total of 299 houses. In 1945 the population of Malha was 1,940, all Arabs, and the total land area was 6,828 dunams, according to an official land and population survey. Of the land, a total of 2,618 dunams were plantations and irrigable land and 1,259 were for cereals, while a total of 328 dunams were built-up land. In the 1948 Arab-Israeli War, the village of al-Maliha, with a population of 2,250, was occupied as part of the battle for South Jerusalem. In the early part of the war, al-Maliha, along with al-Kastil, Surabaya and Deir Yassin, signed non-aggression pacts with the Haganah. On April 12, 1948, in the wake of the Deir Yassin massacre, villages from al-Maliha, Glunia and Beit Iksa began to flee in panic. The Irgun attacked Malha in early morning hours of July 14, 1948. Several hours later, the Palestinian Arabs launched a counter-attack and seized one of the fortified positions. When Irgun reinforcements arrived, the Palestinians retreated and Malha was in Jewish control, but 17 Irgun fighters were killed and many wounded. The Arab inhabitants fled to Bethlehem, which remained under Jordanian control. The depopulated homes were occupied by Jewish refugees from Middle Eastern countries, mainly Iraq. Some of the land in Malha had been purchased before the establishment of the state by the Valero family, a family of Sephardi Jews that owned large amounts of property in Jerusalem and environs. The first Palestinian Fedayeen raid in Israel took place in November 1951 in Malha when a woman, Leah Festinger, was killed by infiltrators from Shuafat, at the time part of Jordan. Today, under the aegis of the Jerusalem municipality, the neighborhood was modernized and a large housing development was established on the nearby hill and its eastern slopes. At the bottom of the hill of the Malha shopping mall, Teddy Stadium, and a Jerusalem-Malha railway station. Malha is now considered an upscale neighborhood. Schools include a vocational high school and an elementary school, the Shalom School. The Jerusalem Technology Park houses many companies, including some high-tech startups as well as international media offices. The Jerusalem Biblical Zoo and Malha Basketball Arena are also located in Malha. Bibliography